All right, what's going on out there, gun tubers? Got an unboxing video today, and just wanted to show y'all what I got. Got a new everyday carry weapon. Story behind this is I got a new Glock 43X MOS and picked it up at the gun shop. Didn't realize they had changed the finish on it, and the finish on the new ones is just crap. It felt like sandpaper, and I had a hard time getting it out of the holster. They tried to tell me it was a better finish, which maybe it is, but I didn't like it better. I like the smooth finish, so that's why I brought it back. And I like the 43X, but we're gonna go into something new. Heard a lot of good things about the Hellcat, so I'm gonna try this out for a while and see how I like it. All right, so this one is it's the compact version, and it comes in this big box here with some extra gear, 1 pistol, 3 extra magazines, and a range bag, which is pretty cool. So 5 magazines in this sucker. Let's turn it around. This is the box. Yeah, it's the it says Hellcat 9mm 3-inch pistol FDE OSP version, which is the one with the optic plate on the top. Okay, let's get into it. Let's quit yapping. Let's see what this thing looks like. All right, so first of all, comes with this bag, range bag type thing. Move the box over out of the way. That's your range bag. Kind of nice. All right, let's see what's inside of here. Nothing in that pocket. All right, here's the pistol. Like I said, I got the FDE one. First thing I'm going to do is clear it. And it's clear. So you got 1 magazine here. This is going to be a 15-round magazine, which is pretty sweet. And like I said, it's small. Look how little this thing is. That's the you know, this Hellcat. I think they came out with it after SIG came out with theirs. These compact models with high capacities. So yeah, that's nice, good to carry. So plus you got your optic plate on this one, which is what I want to put a red dot on it at some point. And look at these sights. These sights are pretty damn sweet. Hopefully it focuses in on it. Pretty cool. Cool. Yeah, it's got the night sight. Pretty sweet. All right, let's try the trigger pull on this sucker. See what we got here. £6, 12 ounces. Let's try it again. £6, 2 ounces. So 6.5 pound trigger pull. It's okay. Try it. Do the reset. About what you'd expect. Feels about like the Glock 43 trigger. So pretty cool looking weapon. Well, let's keep looking in the bag here, see what we got. Put this to the side. All right, here's your magazines that it comes with. Let's get all these out. Stuck down in the little magazine pouches, and that's it for the bag. I guess I got a little spot for you to put your carry permit or whatever you want, ID, I don't know. And you got a little place for your morale patch, and the Springfield logo. Sweet. There's the magazines, and it's not 5, it's 4. I think the other one is in the rest of the box. So let's see what magazines come with it here. We've got a all right, so that's the 15-round one that we already saw. That's another additional 15-round one. And then you got a 13-round magazine and an 11-round magazine. So we'll have one more in there. We'll have to see what it is. So these to the side. It's got another box inside the box. So I think this is like the original box it usually comes in. Yeah, if you didn't have the bigger box with that extra package with the range bag. Okay, so here's a smaller little pouch. Guess you could call that a range bag too if you wanted to. A little carry your pistol in there if you wanted to. And you've got the looks like the owner's manual. Yep, all this stuff, paperwork and whatnot. Go through all this stuff to activate your warranty, blah, blah, blah. Accessories. And you get a sticker in case you want to advertise on your truck. I don't know. And that's the safety manual. I guess I already took that out. Put all this paper to the side. All right, here's a plate that comes with it. That's to, in case you want to take this finger groove plate, if you want to have it more concealable, you slide that on. But I like the finger groove. I don't think I'll use that. I'll hold on to it. And they've got a target that they shot it. So I guess to prove it works. That's cool. It's got somebody's inspector, where they inspected it. A stamp up there. Awesome. All right, so here's some more items. Got a speed loader and another magazine. Let's see what it is. Another 13 round magazine. Okay, so that's cool. And then you got your lock with the Springfield logo. All kind of goodies in this thing. So there's all. I mean, that's to get 5 magazines. That's pretty sweet. 2 13 rounders, 2 15 rounders, and 1 11 rounder. And these are nice magazines. I'll tell you, they're metal and they feel really good. Good high quality magazine. So that's it, guys. That's my my new carrier weapon, and I'll do some range footage of it later, and we'll see how it works. But I know these are a little snappy, but they're to be expected to be such a small, you know, 9mm. But I really like the FDE, and the finish on this is outstanding. Feels really good. Feels like a Cerakote. You know, I can't remember what they say they use on it, but it's very, very nice. That's it. All right, guys. Y'all have a good one. We out.